tee split up in different sections of this field because it's so big. And it's hundreds of acres. And just to pinpoint different flocks of birds, which ones are hot and which ones are not. Where I'm sitting, I didn't hear birds, but I can hear the ones over at T spot. So that's probably where we're going to be setting up in the morning. And Chad, you got took off by mosquitoes, didn't you?
Yeah.
Me too, buddy. They're pretty bad where I'm at. So when the T gets back up here, we're going to break out the maps and we're going to pinpoint right where they were roosted at. Big T sitting over there in the corner. And there's probably 3 or 4 birds gobbling right on top of it. And he said he had one roosted like 50 yards behind him. He said it scared him when he gobbled this morning. It's going to be, tomorrow morning they're really going to be on fire, but every crow call, every little bird is hammering at it. So there might be a jake in there too. I can't really tell because they're pretty good ways off, but I know there's a definite Longbeard over there, the way he's gobbling. It's a beautiful place. We're scouting. We're listening for a couple birds that are on fire good, so tomorrow morning we're going to set up on them, and I'm going to shank one with the Matthews.
We're trying to get to the gate, and it's like this old maple tree right here broke in half last night in all that wind. I know I can get over it, but Dustin's not gonna be able to. We're trying to figure out what we're gonna do.
That bird has been down there gobbling all morning.
That's bird hunting though, man.
Oh,
He's been a dead bird with a gun all day long.
oh yeah. He'd been dead right over yonder.
I don't know where that Twix came from. If it fell out the sky or whatever. That was some good right there because I was about to start getting drunk.
Cut my mouth call, ate half of it. Twix in my mouth call and it won't work right.
That's some good calling though, man. That's a good job right there.
Dude, he was right here.
Yeah. It's 15 yards away.
Chad and Dustin was over there talking about camera equipment, and I was just relaxing, and Dustin's like, "Oh, there was a bird gobbling." So T got his crow call out, hit the crow call one time. Hammer down there in that corner, right by that deer stand down there. So what we're gonna do is we'll ease down to this point right here, shoot across, get down, and get in that brush blind that T and Chad made a couple days ago. Out here just joking around. I told Dustin, Dustin was talking. Said be some junk for one gobble 50 yards from us. I hit the call, and when y'all know that one gobble like 50 yards from us. It's gonna be you, me, Chad, and T, and Henrietta. And when Stanley comes into the field, I need you to talk more junk than you've ever talked before. You got me? I want him to think that you are the man on campus. Don't give me that look. No, I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. I know you want to retire. I know he's big. I know he'll knock you over. But you just got to do this for me. Okay, you got to take one for the team. All right?
You don't shape up. You see this, Rico? You see that right there? That's gonna be you.
Yeah. Look at it.
Get that
Look
through
at
your
it
head.
good.
Look at it good. Get all in your face. You see that?
You
That's
smell
the left
it?
side. That's the right side.
Yeah.
The lemon pepper. That's gonna be all you.
Yeah. You better start acting right.
Alright, bro. So if you killed that bird we saw yesterday, you saying 22 pounds?
Mm-hmm. Well,
It's a big bird, man.
it is. These are heavy.
Big body bird.
Oh, yeah. Let's go kill a turkey. Let's go. Don't forget.
move. It's real cloudy this morning. Birds are really acting kind of weird. Walked around to the edge of the property. Found this laying on the ground. It doesn't belong to any of us. So somebody else decided they go turkey hunt on our property. So we're not gonna find out who it is, but we can move to a different spot. That's what we're gonna do. It almost looks like this morning.
When I was walking up there, I looked at Chad. I like pointed.
When I walked in the field, the first thing I said, man, is that a flashlight? Way down there? Remember that?
Yeah.
Let's see. That's exactly what it is. Somebody walked through here this morning.
We was walking this way and they was walking that way. I hate a trespasser. Trespass. They just trespassing through.
You're going too, though.
We can go set up on the other side of this big field. Wait him out this afternoon. Pretty excited. Go binge.
For how long?
For 2 hours.
Back and forth, up and down the road. That was nuts.
Then I thought the bird behind us was on. I heard
thought
him
he
drumming.
was the one coming.
Yeah, I heard him drumming. Next thing you know,
I thought I heard a bird gobble over here. That was getting close. When this bird gobbled closer, I thought that was the one. Y'all seen y'all putting your mask on. I figured, okay, well he's coming. But it's been so windy today, it's hard to tell. It's hard to tell where they're coming from. But that's the bird that was. This bird, what? That's Papa Rico 400 left and right. I hope the footage has the noise.
did you hear him?
Up the crackling.
Yeah.
Huh?
Oh.
Oh, I
Well, he
forgot
was
all
coming in mad, boy.
Puerto Rico. Wow. Kenny's never killed a bird with the bow before. Anyways, we got set up and we offered him a shotgun yesterday. We've been talking about it this morning, but I'm pretty sure he's thrilled about this first one. He said that's a whole different ball game right there. He doesn't want to hunt with a gun anymore. But he waited. Yesterday we had a big body bird come to us, and he waited. He was persistent, and he didn't rush the shot or anything like that. Didn't take a chance on getting busted yesterday. Held his composure together. We had that bird gobbling from us 28 times, and he just held it all together. We let the birds work away from us. We tried to set up on that bird this morning. The weather conditions changed a little bit. Plus we think somebody was in here this morning. We decided we were gonna come set up here. Chad and I had an encounter with a different bird last week in the same area. So we came over here, and this bird, if you look across this field, it's 400 yards to that point easily. And he walked up and down that, there's a road back there. He walked up and down that road, gobbling every time Kenny would call. But Kenny he hit him with a series and just kept persistent and stayed on him, kept cutting to him. And finally he broke free and come running in here. And then Kenny held his composure again. He drew back after he was fanned out, made a perfect shot, and the bird didn't go 10 yards. And there he lay.
There he lay.
There he lay.
Hey.
Matthews eat him up.
I'm telling you, that's a sweet shooting thing there. When you ever shoot a turkey with a bow, you ain't gonna want to pick another gun up. Promise you. Promise. I'm so stoked, dude. You just...
Bro, I was shaking like a leaf.
Good. Yeah. Rico, we just want to tell you thank you, man. You talked your trash. Homeboy, he couldn't take it, so he had to come fight, but you won this time.
And we want to apologize to you for getting on to you so bad last night. We threatened to throw you on the grill, all kinds of stuff. We're going to give you away to Goodwill. We thought about all kinds of stuff, but you know what? We're really sorry for that. And you know, Kenny had your back. I know you used to me having your back all the time, but you know, you can trust Kenny now. He's a good fella.
Yeah.
And apparently he don't mess with the bow, so you don't have to be so scared from now on.
Right.
Congratulations, Bo. Congratulations.
You did a good job.
And again, I'm sorry.
Let me get a big bump.